Hi guys, today we will see how to add colors to our web page. In the body tag we have to write body space bg color is equal to pink. Then we have to save. After saving we have to reload. Now you can see the web page is in pink color. If you want to add color in the table, we have to open notepad again. Then we have to go to th space bg color. Then we have to include color name, our wish. I'm writing here green. Then again copy this and again paste it in below lines. BG color is nothing but background color. Then we have to save. After saving we have to open and we have to reload. Now you can see it is in green color. If we want to add color in table data, then again we have to go to TD and we have to write same as it is. BG color is equal to, here we will write orange and again we will copy and again we will paste. In the next cell also we will add BG color, same again orange color. After TD we have to include space compulsory. If we will not include space compulsory, then it will show an error or you will not get the color. Now again save. Now again reload. Now we will see underline tag, that is U. If you want underline in name, we have to include U and again we have to include close U. We have to include same for the remaining also. U means nothing but it will underline the name. Then after we have to save the file. Then again we have to open the browser. Now we will reload. Now you can see it has been underlined under name total matches, total centuries and total 50s. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and share.